Over 80,000 Californians moved to Arizona in 2023 alone. That's not a trend. That's an exodus, and 2025 numbers show it's accelerating. Why are people fleeing California for the desert? I'm Vexlo, and today I'm breaking down the real numbers. This might be your wake-up call. California's median home price is hitting $905,000 in 2026. Let that sink in. $905,000. Meanwhile, Arizona's median is $490,000. That's less than half. Same house, different state, half the price. Rent? LA two-bedroom averages $3,200 a month. Phoenix? $1,600. That's $19,000 saved every single year. But housing is just the start. California's top income tax rate is 13.3%. Arizona? 2.5% flat. A family making $150,000 saves over $10,000 a year in taxes alone, just by crossing state lines. Let's break down what a $100,000 salary actually feels like in each state. In California, it buys you $45,000 worth of lifestyle. In Arizona, that same $100,000 gives you $72,000 of buying power. That's the difference between surviving and thriving. Gas prices. Phoenix averages $3.50 a gallon. LA? Over $5. Fill up your tank? That's an extra $20 every single time. Groceries are 16% cheaper. Utilities cost 20% less. Every single expense drops when you cross that border. Property taxes? California averages 0.8%. Arizona's at 0.6%. On a $500,000 home, that's $1,000 saved annually. Add it all up. Housing, taxes, daily costs. The average California family moving to Arizona saves 30 to 40% on their total cost of living. That's not a small difference. That's life-changing money. That's retirement savings. That's your kids' college fund. That's generational wealth. But it's not just money. Phoenix traffic is way better than LA's gridlock. You're getting hours of your life back every week. Job market? Arizona's booming. Tech companies, remote work, Intel expanding. The opportunities are real. And here's the kicker. Mortgage rates are forecasted to drop below 6% in 2026. Timing couldn't be better. Look, I get it. Leaving California is emotional. The beaches, the culture, the history. But what's it actually costing you? If staying means you can't afford a house, can't save for retirement, can't build wealth, is it really worth it? 80,000 people last year said no. They chose financial freedom over geographical loyalty. And they're not looking back. Arizona isn't perfect. Summer heat is intense, hitting 115 degrees. But central AC is standard, and your savings buy a lot of air conditioning. The question isn't if Arizona is perfect. The question is, can you afford to stay where you are? If you're in California right now, do the math for your specific situation. Run the numbers. They don't lie. 33,000 more Californians are projected to make the move in 2025. Will you be one of them?